Anna is a university student packing for a volunteering trip to many countries in Central Africa.
I'm going to a youth mission with our youth group to visit lots of villages to help build learning activity centres in the community for children, for them to connect and socialise and learn. And yeah, we're going to the Democratic Republic of Congo, South Sudan and Angola and lots of other different places too. And I'm really, really excited to help them explore.
However, does she know the possible risks associated with where she is travelling? The Central Africa region is rife with many diseases and are not as easily regulated with the lack of healthcare and sanitary conditions. These debilitating diseases include HIV and AIDS, malaria, yellow fever, diarrheal diseases, and particularly nasty infections called African trypanosomiasis. This parasitic infection is transferred by the common tsetse fly after they take a blood meal from an infected animal or human and then land and feast on another host, transferring the blood-borne organism to you. The most common causative protozoa is Trypanosomiasis brucei, which can infiltrate the blood, lymph nodes, spleen, and cerebral spinal fluid. This disease will incur physical and neurological symptoms and eventually lead to a fatal coma if left untreated. As no vaccinations exist, it is important for you to remain vigilant when out and about in endemic areas. Include long-sleeve shirts and pants of neutral colours, mosquito nets for sleeping, and fly spray as your essentials. The World Health Organization has deemed that this disease may be eradicated by 2020 with sufficient control. Before travelling, ask your doctor for methods of prevention and ensure when you return, go for a checkup. Help us help the world and control African sleeping sickness.